Are you ready to buy a home but unsure about the mortgage process? The journey from application to closing can feel overwhelming, but understanding the steps will help you navigate it with confidence. Let's break down the full mortgage loan process. Pre qualification and pre approval. Before you start shopping for homes, it's important to get pre qualified and then pre approved. Pre qualification gives you a general idea of how much you can afford, but pre approval is more thorough. During pre approval, a lender will review your credit, income, and assets to give you a specific loan amount. According to the National Association of Realtors, 52% of sellers are more likely to accept an offer from a pre approved buyer, so this step can give you a competitive advantage. Now, home shopping. Once you have your pre approval, you can start looking for homes within your budget. Your realtor will help you find homes that fit your needs and schedule the showings. This is an exciting part of the process, but remember, you can only make an offer once you've found the right home. So now we're going to talk about making an offer. When you find a home you love, you'll submit an offer to the seller. If they accept, you move on to the next step. If they counter, you may negotiate until both parties agree on a price. This is also when you'll make an earnest money deposit to show the seller you're serious. Now we get into the loan application. Once your offer is accepted, it's time to complete the mortgage loan application. Your lender will ask for details about the property, your income, assets, and debts. They'll also require documents like W-2s, bank statements, and tax returns. Now we're getting into processing and underwriting. Once your application is submitted, it goes to the underwriter for review. The underwriter ensures everything checks out, your credit, your down payment, and the loan terms. They may request additional information or documents just to clarify any details. Now we get to approval and closing. Once the underwriter approves your loan, you'll receive a closing disclosure with the final loan terms, including the interest rate, monthly payment, and closing cost. You'll review, you'll sign those documents, and the loan will be funded. Closing typically takes place in a title company's office or a local attorney's office where you'll sign papers and officially become a homeowner. Throughout this process, it's important to stay in touch with your lender and follow up on any requests promptly. The mortgage process may seem like a lot, but with the right guidance, it can go smoothly.